Hello learners, in the previous video lecture of the module, we have completed follow-up features. We have also completed importance of follow-up feature in journalism. Furthermore, we have also learned tips for writing follow-up features. In addition, we have also understood anniversary follow-up and preliminary follow-ups in detail. In this video lecture of the module, we will learn news feature, special event feature and profile feature. In addition, we will also understand investigative feature, adventure feature and opinion feature. Furthermore, we will also discuss color feature, culture feature and agriculture feature in detail. After completion of this video lecture of the module, we will also able to understand news feature, special event feature and profile feature. Furthermore, you will also be able to explain investigative feature, adventure feature and opinion feature. In addition, you will also be able to discuss color feature, culture feature and agriculture feature in detail. So, let us start with explaining importance of feature in journalism. In the field of journalism, feature articles stand out as a versatile and captivating form of storytelling that goes beyond the concise and objective approach of traditional news reporting. These articles offer a deeper exploration of topics, engaging readers through narrative that blends information, emotion and context. From profiling remarkable individuals to delve into societal trends, from transporting readers to far-off lands through travelogue to shedding light on historical events. Feature articles come in various forms, each with in unique style and purpose. In this video lecture, we will discuss about various types of feature articles, which tells us diverse world. Feature articles are art of weaving narrative that entertain, enlighten and enrich our understanding of the world around us. As we venture into this captivating landscape, we will witness the power of storytelling in its many facets, revealing the essence of what makes feature articles cherished part of journalism. Feature stories are usually published with the byline. It covers topics in depth or provide deep background information of the personalities, events, places and issues in the news format. Feature article needs more time and research to collect evidences in order to draw conclusion and to point out significance. These stories are popular content element of newspapers, magazines, blogs, websites, television, radio and other media platforms. Feature articles are a captivating form of journalism that delves deeper into the topic, weaving a compelling narrative to engage and enlighten readers. Unlike traditional news articles, feature pieces are not bound by the immediacy of event and can explore a subject in more depth, providing context, analysis and personal perspective. In this video lecture, we will discuss various types of feature articles, each with its unique characteristics and styles, demonstrating the versatility and richness of these forms of storytelling. These feature articles are as following. Number 1, news feature. These features are based on current issues. Number 2, special event feature. A special event feature includes annual articles games, history. Number 3. Profile feature. It includes stories of politicians, celebrities, writers, and so on. Number 4. Investigative feature. Investigative feature discusses stories on gangsters, illegal activities, etc. Number 5. Adventure feature. It includes travelogue, cities, valleys, and so on. Number 6. Opinion feature. It includes article of policies and government decisions. Number 7. Color features. It discusses experts' views on festivals, health tips, food, culture, and etc. Number 8. Culture feature. Includes customs, rituals, traditional, folklore, etc. Number 9. Agriculture feature. It includes agricultural success stories. Let us discuss these features one by one. Number 1. News features. In the realm of journalism, news features occupy a unique space that blends the immediacy of news reporting with the narrative richness of storytelling. Unlike traditional hard news articles that focus on delivering facts in a concise and objective manner, news features dive deeper into a particular event, issue, or human interest story, providing context analysis and emotional resonance. These articles offer a more comprehensive and engaging view of the news, bridging the gap between information and human connection. Additionally, the news features could explore the reliance of the community. In the aftermath of the disaster, it might include stories of volunteers and first responders working tirelessly to help those affected and the outpouring of the support from neighboring communities. By highlighting the human side of the disaster, the news features fosters empathy and understanding among readers, allowing them to connect emotionally with the people affected. The power of a news feature lies in its ability to humanize the news, making it more relatable and meaningful to readers. It goes beyond the surface level information and delves into the personal impact of an event or issue. This type of journalism brings out the human stories hidden within the headlines, evoking emotions and encouraging readers to engage with the news on a deeper level. News features play a vital role in journalism by bridging the gap between straightforward news reporting and the art of storytelling. Through compelling narratives and in-depth analysis, they provide readers with a deeper understanding of events, issues, and human experiences. By humanizing the news features foster empathy, inspire action, and remind us of the shared humanity that binds us all. Number 2. Special event features. Special event feature includes anniversary follow-up that are a unique types of news coverage that revisit significant events, stories, or milestones on their yearly anniversaries. These articles allow journalists to reflect on the impact and implications of past events, assess how situations have evolved over time, and provide update on the progress made since the original reporting. Anniversary follow-ups hold historical and sentimental values as they offer a sense of continuity and allow readers to remember important moments. For example, anniversary follow-up features on the Bhopal gas strategy provide an opportunity to revisit the events, assess the long-term consequences, and reflect on the ongoing impact on the survivors and affected communities. We can understand it by another example. A magazine might publish an anniversary feature celebrating 25 years since the establishment of a non-profit organization dedicated to environmental conservation. The article could include interviews with the founders, volunteers, and beneficiaries, highlighting their experiences, challenges, and successes throughout the organizational journey. Anniversaries are a useful time to update stories. If a politician promised action a year ago, now it is time to ask them what they have achieved. If police were hunting a murderer 6 months ago, ask whether they have any new clues. Anniversary follow-up features are an important part of journalism, providing readers with an opportunity to remember, reflect, and understand the lasting impact of past event on the present and the future. By commemorating significant moments, journalists contribute to a deeper understanding of history and its influence on our lives today. Number 3. Profile feature. A profile is an portrait of a person who has contributed significantly to a particular aspect of life. Often a profile is published as a narrative, non-fiction article in a newspaper, magazine, or websites. The story is based on facts discovered through research as well as interviews with the subjects and their friends, family, or professional associates. A profile piece is meant to be informative. It is a portrait of the person through a combination of stories, quotes, and photographs. A profile deals with the major aspects of the particular life of a personality. At times, a profile highlights little known aspects of a well-known person. For example, profile of a political leader, literary writer, sports player, performing artist, actors, and so on. A profile feature is also known as a personality feature. It is an in-depth look at a person's lifestyle, characteristics, emotions, hobbies, appearance, or just what makes the person tick. Vividly described in colorful prose, it usually allows the reader to place himself in the eyes of the reporter or writer. The reader should come away from the story feeling as if he or she knows and could recognize the person profiled. A profile is a mini biography of a single entity, that is person, place, event, thing, but it revolves around a nut graph that includes something newsworthy happening now. That hook, as we call the news focus, must be evident throughout the story. A profile on Shah Rukh Khan might be interesting, but it is most likely to be published about the time he has a new movie coming out or he wins an award. This fulfills the reader's desire to know why they are reading about someone at a given time or in a given magazine. Number 4. Adventure feature. An adventure feature is a type of journalistic or creative writing that focuses on captivating and inspiring stories of exploration, daring exploits, or a thrilling journey undertaken by adventure or explorers. These features aim to transport reader to the heart of the action, providing vivid descriptions and immersive storytelling that showcase the triumphs, challenging and personal growth of those who venture into the unknown. Adventure features do more than just entertain. They inspire reader to embrace their own sense of adventure. As readers follow the journey of these explorers, they find themselves questioning their own limits and yearning to step outside their comfort zones. The stories of these adventurers serve as a reminder that life's most rewarding experiences often lie beyond the familiar and the safe. Adventure features often delve into the diverse culture and communities encountered by explorers during their journeys. These articles celebrates the richness of human diversity, showcasing the unique traditions, customs and lifestyle of peoples around the world. Readers gain insight into the interconnectedness of humanity and the importance of cultural exchange. Adventure features are characterized by their ability to inspire readers to embrace their own spirits of adventure, encouraging them to step outside their comfort zone and embark on their own journeys of self-discovery. These articles often touch on themes of conversations, sustainability and respect for the environment, understanding the importance of responsible exploration that preserves the beauty and integrity of the natural world. Overall, adventure features celebrate the human desire for discovery and the pursuit of the unknown, while also promoting a deeper appreciation for the diversity and wonders of our planet. Number 5. Opinion feature. An opinion feature is a type of journalistic or creative writing that presents the subjective viewpoints through thoughts and perspective of the author or a specified individual on a particular topic or issue. Unlike news articles that aim to provide objective facts and information, opinion features expresses personal opinion, beliefs and analysis based on the author's experiences, expertise or research. Opinion feature is also known as an editorial feature. An editorial feature is an article that states the newspaper's views on particular news, events or an issues of concern. It is the official stance of the publication. An editorial is usually written by the editor, one of the associate or deputy editors, or one of the writers on behalf of the editor. These opinions reflect the stance of the newspaper and do not have byline. Opinion features can be found in various forms of media, including newspapers, magazines, online publication and personal blogs. They serve as a platform for writers and experts to share their insights, initiate conversations and influence public opinion on a wide range of topics. However, it's essential to distinguish opinion features from news articles, as the latter are expected to remain impartial and present information without personal bias. Number 6. Investigative features. An investigative feature is a type of in-depth journalistic reporting that involves throughout research, analysis and exploration of a specific topic, issue or event. Unlike regular news reporting, investigative features focus on revealing hidden information, exposing wrongdoing, and shedding light on complex or unreported stories. These features often require extensive time and resources to investigate and verify facts, making them a cornerstone of investigative journalism. Investigative features represent the pinnacle of journalistic endeavors, shining a light on hidden truth, exposing corruptions, and unearthing critical information that shapes our understanding of the world. These in-depth reports go beyond the surface to delve into complex and often controversial topics. In this video, we explore investigative features in detail, understanding their significance, challenges, and impact on society. Number 7. Color feature. Color features refers to a type of journalistic content typically found in newspapers, magazines, or online publications that focuses on describing and analyzing trends, styles, and themes related to colors and their uses in various contexts. These features delve into the significance and symbolism of colors, explore their impact on emotions and perceptions, and highlight how they are utilized in different industries, art forms, and everyday life. Key characteristics of color features include color psychology, fashion and design trends, cultural symbolism meaning art and visual, lifestyle, home decoration, seasonal and holiday themes, etc. Color feature differs readers a deeper appreciation for the role of colors in shading our perceptions and experiences. They shed light on the significance of colors in various aspects of human life and creative expressions, emphasizing the powerful influence that these seemingly simple elements can have on our emotions and world around us. Number 8. Culture feature. Culture feature includes festivals, rituals, dramas, stage shows, dance, singing performances, club program, folk performances, and religious and sacred activities. Culture news is considered as feature stories for magazines, newspapers, supplements. It has good deal of entertainment values. Culture news focuses on services and entertainment instead of serious arts coverage. Media give priorities to the popular culture over traditional culture. Nowadays, film is seen as a form of light entertainment for working class. The travelogue and food are also part of the culture news. Media provide plenty of time or space for travelogue, food, architect, and monuments stories. Culture news also focuses on personal life of artists, including stage and drama actors, dancers, artists of fine arts, classical musician, poet, and singers, and so on. Culture features can be found in various media platforms, including newspapers, magazines, websites, radio, television, and online publication. They contribute a broader dialogue about cultural exchange, heritage preservation, and the value of maintaining unique cultural expressions in an interconnected world. Culture features serve as valuable tools for learning about this and celebrating the rich tapestry of human cultures, fostering cross-cultural awareness and building bridges of understanding among people from different backgrounds. Number 9. agriculture feature. An agriculture feature is a type of journalistic or creative content that provide in-depth coverage and analysis of various aspects related to farming, agriculture, and allied sciences. These features aim to shed light on the challenges, innovation, practices, and trends within the agriculture sector, showcasing its significance in feeding the world's population and driving economic development. Agricultural stories are feature articles aimed to tell success stories to rural population. These stories are generally published by the name of reporters or writers. It aims to inform and motivate farmers about adoption of new technology in the field of agriculture and allied sciences. It covers topic in depth and provide deep information of a successful farmers, money crops, technologies, agricultural techniques, and so on. Agricultural stories need more time and research to collect evidences in order to draw conclusion and convey significant messages of agriculture. These stories are generally published in the agriculture based blogs, magazines, newsletters, newspapers, and television, etc. Agriculture stories include success stories, new technologies, fertilizers, pesticides, new practices, new tools and implements in agriculture, animal husbandry, and allied areas. Agriculture feature play a vital role in raising awareness about the challenges and opportunities within the agriculture sector. They foster public understanding of importance of agriculture in providing food, raw materials, and livelihoods for billions of peoples worldwide by shedding light on sustainable and innovative practices. These features encourage the adoption of responsible agricultural methods that benefits both farmers and the environment. Thus, at the end of this video lecture, we can sum up as feature articles encompasses a diverse array of storytelling styles, each offering a unique perspective on the world around us. From profiling extraordinary individuals to investigating systematic issues and sharing human experiences. Feature articles captivate readers' minds and hurt their ability to inform, inspire, and entertain, makes them an indispensable part of the journalistic landscape, fostering understanding and empathy in a ever-changing world. As readers embracing the varied world of features articles allow us to broaden our horizons and connect with the rich tapestry of human experiences. Each type of feature serves as a specific purpose in journalism and offer unique storytelling approach. News features blend news reporting with storytelling, providing context analysis and emotional resonance to events and human interest stories. Special events feature revisit significant events on their anniversary, reflecting on their impact and evolution over time. Profile features offer portraits of individuals who have contributed significantly to a particular aspect of life, highlighting their achievements and experiences. Adventure features focus on captivating stories of exploration and daring exploits, inspiring readers to embrace their sense of adventure, while opinion features express personal viewpoints on specific topics, allowing writers to influence public opinion, while investigative features uncover hidden truth and expose wrongdoing, promoting transparency and accountability. Color features explore the significance and symbolism of colors in various contexts, while culture features showcase the richness and diversity of human cultures, whereas agriculture features delve into farming practices, challenges, innovations and trends, raising awareness about the importance of sustainable agriculture. Each type of feature plays a crucial role in journalism, fostering understanding, empathy and engagement among readers by humanizing events, exploring diverse perspectives and providing in-depth insight. Features offer a deeper understanding of the world and its complexities. So learners, with this we have completed news feature, special event feature and profile feature. Furthermore, we have also understood investigative feature, adventure feature and opinion feature. In addition, we have also discussed color feature, culture feature and agriculture feature in detail. Now, it's time to check your progress level. Write down following questions and check your learning level by writing answers of those questions. To assess your learning level, we are providing you long questions. Give answers of the following questions. Number 1. What is news features? Explain news features with the example. Number 2. What do you understand from special event feature? Describe a special event feature with the example. Number 3. What is profile feature? Describe profile feature with the examples. Number 4. What is investigative features? Discuss investigative feature with example. Number 5. What is adventure feature? Discuss adventure feature in detail. Number 6. What is opinion feature? Discuss opinion feature with the example.